Welcome to the instructional video for Flex. The first thing you will need to do is to visit the Community Services LEO website. The address is www.whitebear.ce.leo.com. Once you arrive to the homepage, you will need to select Flex and Middle School Tier 1, which can be found in the Out of School Time section. Further information will be provided in this section regarding fees. At this point, if you haven't logged in, you'll be asked to do so or create a new account. Once logged in, you will want to select Enroll Now. On the left-hand side, you will see a list of any students that are eligible to register for a Flex contract. If you need to add a child, you may do so at this point. Otherwise, click on your student's name and verify their information. If you need to edit their information, you can do so here. Once everything looks good, click on Start Registering. You will need to provide at least 2 emergency contacts in order to proceed. If you haven't got 2 listed and you need to do so, click Create New Emergency Contact. You will also be able to indicate whether each of your emergency contacts may drop off or pick up your student. Once complete, select Continue. On this page, you will select the school that your student will be attending this fall. At this point, I have 2 different options for contracts. If I'm looking for something consistent, so the same days each week throughout the year, I will want to go with a consistent schedule. If I'd like to vary the days, then I'm going to select a Pick Your Day option. For middle school students, care is available Monday through Friday, 8 to 5, and after school Monday through Thursday. My student attends school on Monday and Wednesday, so I'm not looking for full day care on Monday and Wednesday, but I am looking for full day care on Tuesday and Thursday, so I will select both of those options. In addition, I do have the option here to select Friday full day from 8 until 3. Since my student won't be attending school, I will select that day as well. If I don't need it, I just don't need to select that box. In addition to full day care, you can also select an after-school option. This is where it might vary a little. Since my student attends school on Monday and Wednesday, I do still need them to attend after school from 2 until 5 p.m. on Monday and Wednesday. And in addition, I've already selected the school day care on Tuesdays and Thursdays, so I'm also going to sign them up for the after-school program on Tuesdays and Thursdays as well. If I didn't need those days, I just wouldn't select those boxes. Once complete, you may continue. On this page, you will need to fill out the following registration questions. Once you have completed all of the information, you can scroll to the very bottom here, where you will continue. On the final page, before you submit your contract, you will be asked to upload a saved payment method. Once you have done so, you will be able to submit your contract for approval. And that's it, you registered for Flex.